MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, companies play a crucial role in the construction industry, ensuring that buildings are equipped with efficient and functional systems. In Marathahalli, Bangalore, there are several MEP companies that provide top-notch services to meet the growing demands of the market. One such company is Scon Design India Private Ltd, which has established itself as a leading player in the industry. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a well-known MEP company in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With years of experience and expertise, they have successfully executed numerous projects across various sectors including residential, commercial, industrial, and institutional. Their commitment to delivering high-quality services and their focus on customer satisfaction has earned them a solid reputation in the market. One of the key factors that sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other MEP companies is their team of highly skilled professionals. They have a dedicated team of engineers, technicians, and designers who are well-versed in the latest trends and technologies in the MEP industry. This enables them to provide innovative solutions and deliver projects within the stipulated timeframe. Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of MEP services including HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, electrical installations, plumbing systems, fire protection systems, and energy management solutions. They follow international standards and best practices to ensure that their projects are not only efficient but also sustainable. Another aspect that makes Scon Design India Private Ltd a preferred choice among clients is their strong emphasis on safety. They prioritize safety at every stage of the project, from design to execution, to ensure a secure working environment for their employees as well as the end users of the building.